Hi guys, just an update. Got a lot to done today, so I'll show you. Well, when I say we got a lot done today, we're probably not even halfway. But we've got to get a carpenter to come out and just double check these because they may be saved. What is that? So this was where the computer was and Dad's walk-in wardrobe. So we got in here. I said, that looks like Harry Potter. Yeah, so we're hoping that we can get away with keeping the top gyprock or whatever you call it. I'm not a builder. So this is Dad's room. We've done all of this. We had looters last night. Excuse my French. Well, I didn't say it, but someone went through and stole what was on there. I mean, fucking low if you ask me, but anyway. So, yeah, so that's it. We're going to be doing the spare room, the lounge room, the kitchen tomorrow. And yeah, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Slow but surely. So again, thank you to everyone who's donated, who's sent stuff for Dad. I took him to the showground today to grab some clothes and stuff, toiletries and whatnot. But yeah, so, all right, guys. Link will be down below for the GoFundMe, and I will see you all in the next update. Peace out. Love yous all.